So welcome back to the project we have here in Riverside. Last time we were here, we're just passing inspections and had everything framed out for to pour the footings. So the footings are in, they're dry. The next step now that we just did was we put a moisture barrier down. You put some gravel, and then you put your wire mesh for the foundation. The wire mesh or rebar, depending on what your architect designs for the foundation of the home, that's where you're going to be putting in. So as you can see, after we put in the moisture barrier in the home and filled it up with gravel, what they do is they put these blocks right in here to hold it above the ground. So that way when they pour the concrete, it goes underneath the mesh, and it'll provide a lot more strength to the foundation. Foundation here at the main part of the property, it's going to be poured all the way up to the concrete over here, just about, so it's all leveled out. In the garage over here is going to sit lower as you step up into the home. So you can see where they've marked with red along the footings of the garage, so that way they could slope the garage out. So this section of the house is actually going to be a covered patio. The covered section of the roof is built into the roof of the home. So what they're going to pour here next is going to be the footings for the roof line over here. These two sections. The rest of it, which will be the patio cover area, it doesn't have to be as reinforced because it's just going to be for furniture. It's not going to have much of a load on it. So this will be poured after we build the home. They'll come in and pour in the patio slab. Right now we're going to pass one more inspection, and if everything looks good, we're going to be pouring the foundation on Monday or Tuesday of next week. So we'll see you then, and we'll show you how it turns out.